Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you write professional articles with ChatGPT using ChatGPT Plus. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So ChatGPT Plus guys is basically the paid version of ChatGPT. So all you have to do is go on over and subscribe to that and go over to settings and beta features. Make sure that plugins are enabled. So over here, if you start a new chat, make sure GPT-4 is selected. Under plugins, make sure that is selected as well. And plugin store, scroll down until you can see article. So you just have to search for article here. And AI SEO article writer. Make sure to install this and make an account fast. So it will be instant guys, so don't worry. And once done with that, you can go ahead and make use of this. So just make sure that the only plugin enabled is article writer, the one we just downloaded or installed. And what can this do? So for example, what can this plugin do? So as you can see, I've asked this ChatGPT to what they can do. So you can provide a title and they will generate the article for you. And once the draft is generated, you can review it and make necessary edits to meet your standards. So for example, you just have to go ahead and provide a title. And as per using a website, it doesn't have the capability, but you can uh, basically give out information because basically on their last update, it has been trained to provide information summaries and answers based on specific knowledge. For example, you just have to go ahead and uh, make use and go ahead and make use of this one, Alien Mindscapes, which is the title of the website. So we can use that and paste it here. So for example, you just have to go ahead and you just have to paste that here, and it will do it for you. So it will generate summaries, answers, and information based on the specific knowledge. So you can also have a specific website if you have that in mind. You can share its text and main points. So for example, you just have to copy paste this one if you want, and it will generate that content based on that information that you've just gave. So you just have to wait for the process to finish, guys. It will be depending on the speed of the server. So as you can see, it is now generating the article for you. So as you can see, it is now going over and making use of this. And once done with this, you can freely edit this and modify this to your needs. So for example, once this is done, can you make the title, for example, grabbing for viewers? And make the text much simpler. So you can also use this. And as you can see, it is now doing the work for you as well. So there guys, that is basically how you can make professional articles with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.